t'écoutes
Sound Power.
Give me a hoe if you got your funky bus fare. There's a double Dutch bus coming down the street, moving dirty fast, so kinda shuffle your feet. Get on the bus, pay your fare, then tell the driver that you're going to a double Dutch affair. 5, 4, well I'll be darned. Here it comes, the double Dutch bus is on the street. You better get off the curb, move your bus fare, transpass. That's the way my money lasts. Ain't got no car, get around. When I go to work, I gotta go downtown. Now I miss my train, that's a darn shame. When I'm running late, no streets to blame. If you got a way, you know I'm right. You got a special man, well I can understand. Uptown, downtown, everybody's getting down. Say uptown, say downtown. Well, I miss my bus, I know I'm late. I gotta do something I know I hate. I'm gonna walk to work. 15 bucks, I already got a hole in the socks. Go ahead and laugh, that's okay. Cause what I really wanna say, I got bad feet, my corns hurt. Just top it off, I'm late for work. Let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a funky sidewalk. And let me show you how I walk when I gotta do my funky walk. And let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a funky sidewalk. I say, sugar.
Is that jizzles? Yizzo, is that the mizzle? Is that the whiz, they sizzle, the giz out and quiz, they fizz ass fizzle. Yizzo, pizza, the mizzle. Shizzle, gilza. Wheels out, nils out, bills, baby. Millsy, gills out, sills on bills, I bills, I gills out with gills out. My kizzer. Is up kizzer. Is up kizzer.
Bip, bop, bam, alakazam. But only if you're grooving with the double Dutch man. Put on your skates, don't forget your rope. Cause I know I'm gonna see you at my double Dutch show. Rebecca, Lolita, Fashawn, and Dawn. Every time you do the double Dutch, you really turn it on. Bill's Arbor, Bill's Harry, Bill's Eddie, Bill's Sam, Bill's Tommy, Bill's Aaron, Bill's Zombie, that's my man. Come on.